Imagineering. Come on inside. Now, we make a lot of magic here at Imagineering, and so let me use a bit of it to make this wall come to life.
Welcome to Walt Disney Imagineering, the most magical place on Earth. Well, besides Disneyland and all the other Disney parks and resorts around the world. You're standing in the lobby of our Dream Factory, where creative imagination and technical know-how combine to make dreams come true. In 1952, Walt Disney assembled an eclectic group of creative and technical people who understood his vision for Disneyland. He dubbed them Imagineers. Today, Imagineers represent more than 140 disciplines. From artists, architects, and engineers to show producers, planners, and project managers. Together, they make Imagineering one of the largest, most diverse design companies in the world. Over the years, Imagineers have spread their magic around the globe, creating a dozen Disney parks at 6 resorts in 4 countries on 3 continents, and Disney cruise ships too. Inside these doors, we continue to focus our creative energies on Walt's original mission, dreaming up memorable and magical experiences, immersing our guests in great Disney storytelling, bold new worlds, groundbreaking attractions, and innovative adventures that inspire and entertain.
We're always exploring and experimenting because we're curious. And curiosity keeps leading us down new paths.
Speaking of new paths, today we're already working on the ideas of tomorrow, imagining new ways to bring smiles to our guests.
There's really no secret about our approach. We keep moving forward, opening up new doors, doing new things.
And now we invite you to step through our doors and see how we do what we do. This is your chance to meet the people who make the magic and take a peek at how they make dreams come true.
Welcome back, and welcome to our Monorail Hallway, modeled after the monorail at the Walt Disney World Resort in Florida. This hallway literally takes you all around the Disney World. Being such a broad global company, this hallway helps keep us connected to the hundreds of projects we have going on at any one time.